So this is the new Airpods by Boot. You can see this is 35 hours playtime totally, and it drops ACE, and you can get more features like 13 drives, beast mode, dual mic with ENX tech, pocketable design, IPX5 water resistance, and you'll get with this 3490 rupees. And IWP technology, easy one touch control, one touch voice assistant, 10 meter ASAP charge, 120 meter playback. That means 10 meters if you charge means 120 minutes you can play songs with this. Okay, now let's unbox this. Open this. You see this is the box, and you will get this. Let's keep this side, and you will get this. This is a rubber case to protect AirPods. So this box I'll show you afterwards. You will get some stickers, boat, and warranty card, and some books, and the whole lota. Okay, this all the stickers I'll show you. This is thank you. You can see this all his stickers. Let's keep it this side, and I'll show this box. What is this? And this is the type C cable for charging. Let's open it. Okay, it's like a rubbery face. You can see this is the LED light, and you can see backside type C. This is like compact, you can see. Then it is like a rubber slide, you can see, very smooth. You can see light inside only can stars, you can see. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, comment. Bye bye.